Copilot in Word.
In this video, we will explore how to use Microsoft Copilot in Word. When creating or updating content in Microsoft Word, Copilot can help you start a draft, generate content from an existing file, email, or meeting, and add new content to an existing document. Some Copilot features may vary or require specific Microsoft 365 and Microsoft Copilot licenses. If a feature shown in this video is unavailable, check with your organization's administrator to confirm your license and feature availability.
Start a draft with Copilot.
When using Copilot in Word, provide as much detail as possible in your prompt. The more information you include, the more relevant and useful the generated content will be. Start a new blank document and enter a prompt in the Copilot prompt box, or select the Copilot icon near the bottom of the Word window. For example, write a white paper about project management. Select Send, and Copilot will generate a draft. You can continue refining the content with follow-up prompts, such as, make it more concise. Remember to review and edit the draft to ensure it is accurate and matches your tone and style.
Start from a file, email, or meeting.
Copilot can create a new draft based on your files, meetings, emails, or people. In the prompt box, describe what you want to create, then type / and begin entering the name of a file, meeting, email, or person you want Copilot to reference. You can add up to 20 references. Using references helps Copilot generate more relevant and accurate content grounded in your organization's terminology, data, and business context, reducing generic responses and saving you time.
Add content to an existing document.
Copilot can help you add or revise content in your document. Open Copilot and describe what you'd like to create or change. After Copilot generates content, you can refine it with follow-up prompts such as, make it sound professional. You can also select existing text, a list, or a table, and choose Edit with Copilot. Enter a prompt describing the changes you'd like to make, then continue refining the results as needed.
Rewrite text with Copilot.
Copilot can help improve your writing. Select the text you want to revise. Then choose Edit with Copilot and select Auto Rewrite. Review the suggested rewrite and select Done to keep it, or Undo to return to the original version. You can also refine the results by entering additional instructions in the Copilot prompt box.
Convert text to a table.
Select the text you want Copilot to turn into a table. Then choose Edit with Copilot. In the prompt box, enter Visualize as a table and select Send. Copilot will preview the table for you. To refine the table, enter additional instructions in the Copilot prompt box, such as add an empty column.
Generate images for your documents with Copilot.
Copilot in Word can help you create custom images that add visual interest to your documents. To generate an image, open the Copilot pane and describe the image you want in the prompt box. After Copilot creates the image, hover over it and select Insert to add it to your document, or Copy to use it elsewhere.
Create a summary of your document with Copilot.
If you've received a lengthy document, Copilot in Word can help you quickly understand the key points. Select Summary by Copilot at the top of the document, or ask Copilot to summarize the document in chat. After the summary is generated, use the suggested prompts to open Copilot Chat and ask follow-up questions.
Chat with Copilot about your Word document.
Copilot in Word can answer questions about the document you're reading. Ask Copilot how to improve the document, add context, or adjust its tone. Copilot can provide recommendations, step-by-step guidance, or help make changes to the document. To ask about a specific section, select the text and choose Edit with Copilot. You can also ask questions about images and charts by pasting them into the Copilot prompt box along with your question. To learn more about your Lenovo device, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube or go to pcsupport.lenovo.com.